So tonight is about challenging those norms, disrupting the norms, voyage of discovery, learning something new, and perhaps doing something different.
For us all to get this right, we have a responsibility at a leadership level to educate from the top down.
The jobs that are coming, the jobs of tomorrow, the jobs that we're training people into, are fundamentally more human jobs.
The right questions are the ones that matter for your firm, not for others, because they have potential consequences for your business problem, not somebody else's business problem.
It's not about mass redundancy, it's really about mass learning, and it's about a shift of skills and moving across from some of this unsexy work that people have quite frankly been doing, and shifting away from that and retraining and focusing on some of the more value-add stuff.
I think it's been an excellent discussion. I think it's been good to see the range of thinking and the range of questions that are being asked about the role of AI, and also for the way that we engage with people in the workplace in the future. For us as an organisation, we don't see it as artificial intelligence, we see it as augmented intelligence. It's about actually raising the empowerment of people to do more fulfilling work for the future.
So you need to have, as well as technology, that human element. There needs to be a balance, and also some education around what is ethically right at a senior level. That will drive, I think, a really positive recruitment experience where AI has a really natural place within that process.
Brilliant event, fantastic location, really worthwhile evening spent. There's been a real mix of people. I think that's the thing that struck me, is the diversity of the people in the room. The roles they have, the sectors they come from, the backgrounds they have. So that's been quite nice.